Your presence has been detected and recorded. Thank you.
Okay, so today I'm going to take a quick trip in a Cessna 172 Skyhawk. I'm going to go from Mesa Gateway, KIWA in Mesa, Arizona, to KFFZ, Falcon Field in Mesa, Arizona. Okay, let's go ahead and set some waypoints. Well, let's turn this plane on first. I'm going to set my brakes. Brakes are on. Let's do beacon lights. Let's just do strobe too. Let people know we're over here messing with the plane. Engines on. Clear prop. Okay, let's set our flight plan. So we are going to go from KIWA to KFFZ, which is not very far. KIWA is taking off from runway 30 center. So that's where we're going to take off from, 30 center. Let's set that as our first waypoint. And then we will turn out to Jinoon, and follow that to Slee. Actually, none of that is going to work. What runway is KFFZ using? .22 left. Okay, so that waypoint will work. I can just fly right around that side. Let's see. I'll go to Bose, Lehigh, and then I'll just go straight into the airport, but I'll take over and hand fly it in well before I get to that point. Okay, so we've got a flight plan. Let's go fly it. You know what? I'm going to take off 30 left.
Phoenix Yukon, November 214 Mike Golf, taxiing to runway 30 left.
That's going to change my navigation a little bit, so it's probably a good idea that I just kind of hang on and don't use navigation right away. I don't know where I am, but this feels really, really wrong. I may be on a runway. I am not on a runway. I am on the taxiway. They didn't give me taxi instructions. Normally I fly on X-Plane when I want to sim like this, but I just really enjoy this one, so that's what I'm doing. Looks like I'm in for a super taxi, so I'm going to switch to an outside view. It's a nice airplane. They don't have any livery options though. Whoa, going a little fast. Squarely. Yeah, it's a good thing I switched to 30 left because I don't know where I can cross all the way over. I'm not sure if I can do that at the end of this runway or not. It's got some prop torque. It's pulling me to the left. Come on, man. Settle down. What are you doing? Get the hell over here. I'm driving in the woods. The hell, man? I think I'm having some frame rate issues or something because something's going on here. Man, just hold on. Hell am I at? Looks like I'm about ready to pull on to 30 left. Okay, so I'm going to be departing out to the right, but let's see, that would be north, but it's not going to be for a minute, so I'm going to let them know actually that I'm going to go straight out, and then I'll just catch my Navi flight path afterwards.
Phoenix Unicon, November 214 Mike Golf is taking off runway 30 left, departing straight out.
Alright, I'm coming up on the piano keys here. Normally I would have completed all my run-up stuff here. Check magnetos. so forth. I'm gonna give myself a 10% flaps, and I'm just gonna go for it. Come on, Pelican. Fly, Pelican. Come on. Come on. Airspeed is alive, and I am all over the place. Come on. Come on. Oh my God. That's what I get for being at 92% power. I just didn't have what it took to get up. That's what she said. Actually, that's what she said about him. I'm not him. Alright, I'm all over the place. I need to stabilize myself here. Come on. Be easy. I'm just a little guy. Got my flaps up. Airplane's clean. Okay, I can see that my Janoon waypoint is coming up here. So I'm just going to go ahead and navy over to it now. I'm technically cutting way across those other two runways, so if someone was taking off from 30 center or 30 right, they'd be smashing into the right side of my plane right now. But it's a video game, and if they smash into the right side of my plane, I will start over. I'm gonna set my altitude. That's not what I wanted to do. Set speed at 95. I'll set altitude for about 2,500. '95's not too fast for this plane, but my power's at 100% right now, trying to just hold 2,500 and 95 miles an hour. There we go. Alright, we're down to about 66 it looks like in power, so that's way more like it. The engine seems to have mellowed out. Got 6 minutes and 20 seconds or so to my destination. (2,500) altitude. That's actually MSL, which is mean sea level. AGL's actual ground level. Depending on what you're flying, you can see both, but in what I'm doing here now, I don't. I only see MSL. Okay, coming up on waypoint Silly, I will go to the outside of the plane so we can watch it turn. Still 95 miles an hour, 2,500 altitude. Flying by Navi, everything looks good. Airplane is being nice. Let's go ahead and announce inbound. Landing, full stop. The hell? You are the wrong airport. Alright. Tune into KFFZ. Announce inbound. Full stop. 22 left. Straight in.
Falcon Field Unicon, November 214 Mike Golf is 4 nautical miles to the southeast of 2,500 feet, inbound for landing, will make straight in for runway 22 left.
So with that said, I'm going to wait until not too much. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and change my waypoint there because I said I'm going straight in. Oh boy. Replace current flight plan, yes. And then I will add that. And then as I get kind of parallel to the airport, I'll go ahead and just take controls over fully, turn off autopilot, and hand fly it in. Go ahead and start descending. I'm not scared to drop 600. Come on, let's go 1100. Let's play. Let's do some slow flying. Flaps 20. Speed still 99. There we are. Come on. Okay, looks like I'm gonna hit the floor, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that. Get rid of my speed too. I don't need them horsing with me. Let Navi roll. Alright, so it looks like I'm gonna go ahead and start my turn now into Falcon Field. I'm slow flying good. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of some of that flap so I can make this turn, end up with a dead man's turn. Come on, here we go. Let's get that turn done. Oh, I'm still on Navi. There we go. Boy, oh boy, we're turning now. Hey, there we go. Come on. Let's get down there. There's my field. I'm gonna go ahead and let them know. Hey, don't do that, man. Okay, bring me the head of Alfredo Garcia. I'm just landing. Coming in. Coming in hot. Straight in.
Falcon Field Unicon, November 214 Mike Golf is 2 nautical miles to the northeast at 1,700 feet, inbound for landing, will make straight in for runway 22 left.
Is that not a runway? Oh man, I just pulled a Harrison Ford. Tried to land on the taxiway. No, Indiana, no. 22 left. Son of a bitch. I don't even like Indiana Jones. Fuck that guy. Yeah, I'm sure. Well, that was no good. I'm gonna try it again. Okay. Damn it. You know what I'm doing? I'm doing Sarah Palin right now. I'm going rogue. Engines. hot, baby. Turn them on. We're out of here. We're going flying. I don't have time for all this shit. Beacon lights on. What's up? Beacon lights. Strobe lights. What's up? We don't fly with landing lights. I'm not even doing that. I don't care. Navi, yeah, just because I'm that kind of guy. I don't care. Alright, you want to see how we do this? We're going stall flying, boys. Flaps. Rich. Brakes. Lean. Gas. You know it. What's up? Let's do some stall flying. We're going to Valdez. What's up? You ready? Hey, come on, we're flying. What's up? What's up? That was like 2 feet. That was like 2 feet. Did you see that? That was like 2 feet and I took off. I'm going to Valdez. Okay. Go ahead and trim back some of this flap. Airspeed is good, about 70. Okay. Now I'm just going to turn around and land it because I hate leaving it with a crash. Really what I was saying about AGL and MSL came into play there. I was watching my altitude and the airport is somewhere around, I think, 1,400 feet MSL, and I was watching my gauges and I was off by about that much, I think. So what's up? This is Rogue Sarah Palin. What's up? I land where I want. I shoot wolves from a helicopter. Why? Because I have a helicopter that I can shoot wolves from. Brakes. Auto. Flaps off. What's up? What's up? That's how you land a plane. Brakes. You know. Let's go over here. And I'm going to call that what it is. Success. Brakes. Alright, now y'all come back here.